guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, what I have for you today, so excited, Maggie's up there on her perch, is a junk journal craft haul, okay? Because next Wednesday, I'm pretty sure we're going to start a junk journal series. Looking really forward to that, okay? So this is encompassing Hobby Lobby. They had great sales. Joann's, Michael's, one thing from Amazon, and U-Haul. So let's jump into this junk journal supply haul for 2022, okay? This is in no particular order, but this will start with Hobby Lobby first. I had heard that this fabric tack is very good for junk journals because when you put it down, it doesn't crinkle your paper or anything. Picked it up at Hobby Lobby. It's not marked, but it wasn't much, okay? So I picked this up. So if you want to do a junk journal with me when we start our series, then you don't have to have what I have, but just in case you're interested, I want you to see what I'm going to be using, okay? I'll try to link anything I can find in the description box. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find some of this stuff, okay? Then I picked up some of this Distress Oxide. I already have the Vintage Photo, but I picked up Rusty Hinge. I think this will be so cute. And frayed burlap, okay? Because I want such a vintage journal, all right? Then I picked up, there's different ways that you can make a junk journal. I'm sure a lot of you know more than I do. I've never done one before, but I've watched tons of videos and my mind is totally jumbled, okay? But you can sew them in. So I picked up this embroidery floss from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. It was, and I think I may try to sew one in. We'll see. If you don't want to sew, there's other methods. All right. Then look at this gorgeous paper. Everything on the Paper Studio was 50% off. Look at that gorgeous paper. I'll just kind of like flip it so you can see some of it. It's really hard, but look at that. Look at those butterflies and those lines. Let's do it this way. I think you can see it better. Has a lot of trees in this one, butterflies. I just think this will give such a nice look to a junk journal. I cannot wait to start. I really can't. And I'm going to call the hand specialist and make another appointment because everything's died down around here now. I think it would be safe to go to the doctor. So I don't know, but I love to craft too much just to let my hands keep me from it, okay? So I picked that up. It was $21.99, but 50% off, all right? Then look at this Paper Studio pad. By the time I got there, a lot of them had been sold out, but look at all that. I think this is going to be gorgeous as well. Just look at that. So many beautiful pages. And you can combine them. You could even do this for Mother's Day if you hurry. Now, my series won't be done in time for Mother's Day, but I don't think it'll be done in time, but you could even make this for Mother's Day. I think it would be so thoughtful, okay? Okay, then I picked up a crocodile, and so while I was in Hobby Lobby, I picked up the eyelets for it, $9.99. You get a bunch of them. It doesn't say, oh yeah, 141 for $9.99. I thought that was pretty good. Don't have to have a crocodile, but I have one because of my hands. And then I picked up this Paper Studio. They're these envelopes. And they were $6.99, but 50% off. And you get 50 pieces. And these are the A4, okay? So I'm looking forward to doing this. They're 4.25 by 6.25. You can make so much using these, all right? And then I picked up, I needed some better glue. So I picked up these Tombos. They had 3, the little tape. So I thought I would try these. I can't remember how much these were. Now this may have come from Michael's. I'm not sure. I think I'm getting these a little bit confused, but it's either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, okay? Then I know I got me some Tim Holtz scissors. Heard a lot of good things about them. There's also a dupe on Amazon, and it doesn't cost as much, but these were $14.99. I didn't think that was really bad, and they have a really sharp point, and I think I'll get along better with this grip, okay? They come in white or black. Black's the only one I saw, all right? And then I needed a paper, something that would round my corners on my paper, so I picked this up. It was $5.99, all right? And this is the only thing of Tim Holtz that I could find out anywhere. The only paper stuff. Let's clarify that. This was at Hobby Lobby. It was $10.99. And you just get a bunch of these little 24 double-sided sheets that are 6 by 10. And that's all the kinds you get in there. And I thought we could do so much with this inside our journals. I wanted some Tim Holtz paper, but I guess you have to get that off of Amazon now. I think, like I said, or I think I said this, I'm going to try to make my own book. You don't have to. So I picked up this, We Are Memory Keepers. It's the cinch, but it's a book board. It was $3.99. And I think I can get quite a few books out of this. Maybe just one, but whatever. But I'm going to be using this. I'm so excited, okay? Then we'll go to Michael's. Okay. I think I got this at Michael's, the Crocodile. It was the cheapest I could find it. It was $37.99. It was either there or Joann's, and I think it was Michael's, though. $37.99. So I think this will be better for my hand, all right? You certainly don't need that. You could get an awl. You could get hole punch, whatever, okay? Then I'm going to be doing this one later. If you don't want to make the book, you can go to Michael's, and Recollections have these like this. And it was like $5.99 or $6. And look, it's already put together for you. And you can just decorate it. I think that is great. But you know me, I always have to try to be extra. No, really, I thought it would be fun to try to make my own book. But I think I'm definitely going to do some videos with this book, okay? And then I went to Michael's, and I have lost my bone folders. I don't know where they went. I cleaned my craft room out, and it took me 5 hours. It was so horrible. You wouldn't believe it. But I still couldn't find my bone folders, and I had 2 really good ones. So I picked this up. I think it was $6.99. Picked it up. It's a Fiskars. And then I needed a cutting mat, and you get 2 for $12. Well, I'm a member of Michael's Rewards, so I had a $5 off coupon, and then I had, I think, a 20% off coupon. I stacked them, and I paid $12 for both of these. I was really happy. So you get 2 mats in here, and why I like this, it's self-healing, but it also shows you the different size books on here and where they need to go. So you get the hot, like the pink one, and then you get this white one. So I loved that. Then at Joann's, I picked up this rubber stamp. I think it is so adorable. It's a typewriter. Won't that be so pretty? And they had their stamps on sale. I don't remember how much. It was originally $6.99, but I didn't pay $6.99. It was either 30 or 50% off. So I love this. I had seen it before, picked it up, and put it back. Glad that I went back and got it. Then I heard that this Scotch glue stick was really good glue to put your journals down. Now, when I did my planners, I used Elmer's school glue in a stick that was purple, and it would hold, but sometimes it would pop back up. So I heard that this is really good, so I picked this up, and the only place I could find this was at Joann's. So there's that. Then I needed a mat to keep everything clean, to keep glue off my desk or any surface that I'm working on, and to keep paint off. And I thought, why don't I just get one of these silicone mats? So I picked this up off of Amazon. I love it. It's a Teflon or a silicone mat. Nothing will stick to it, and I love it. It's white, so things will show up really nicely. And I will link this in the description box below. Then I went to U-Haul for some packing tape for my spine of my book, okay? You can use any kind of tape you want to use, but I wanted it to be brown. And this gigantic 55 yards at our local U-Haul was only like $4 or $5. So, and it's box packing tape. So I picked that up. So that is everything that I found for our junk journal supplies that we're going to need. And like I said, you don't have to use these supplies. This is just what I'm going to be using. And next Wednesday, hopefully, nothing happens. That's what we're going to be doing. And like I said, I'm beyond excited. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you. Now, Friday is Good Friday. I'm taking it off because Melvin's off. But I will see you Tuesday for a Walmart haul. I found so many cute shirts. It's going to be Walmart and Dollar Tree because I went into the Dollar Tree Plus and I couldn't believe what I found. So I'll see you Tuesday for that haul. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Were you taking a snooze, Maggie? Was Maggie sleeping? Yeah, she was sleeping. She said hi. She says, I love you. She says, I'm a very good girl. Yes, I am. I'm a good girl. So until next time, bye, guys.